Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're taking a look at MDLIVE, a prominent telehealth platform that offers a convenient way to access healthcare services. Their website, located at www.mdlive.com, serves as a central hub for information and access to their various offerings. Navigating to MDLIVE.com provides a wealth of details on how their services work, what conditions they can treat, and the costs associated with their virtual consultations. The platform aims to bridge the gap between traditional in-person doctor visits and the growing need for accessible and affordable healthcare options. MDLIVE emphasizes the convenience and speed of its service, highlighting the ability to connect with board-certified doctors, pediatricians, and therapists from the comfort of your home or on the go. The website likely details the range of conditions they address, from common ailments like colds and allergies to more complex medical issues. You'll probably find information on how to schedule appointments, the types of technology required, and the overall user experience. They might also showcase testimonials from satisfied patients, highlighting the positive aspects of using their platform. Furthermore, exploring MDLIVE.com would likely reveal information about their insurance coverage and payment options. Understanding how insurance integrates with their services is crucial for potential users. They might also offer different subscription plans or membership options for individuals and families. The website probably provides a comprehensive FAQ section to address common queries and concerns. In addition to these core features, MDLIVE might also promote additional services such as mental health counseling, dermatology consultations, or even specialized care for chronic conditions. They may also highlight any partnerships with healthcare systems or employers. The website is designed to be a comprehensive resource for anyone considering using their telehealth platform. Be sure to check out MDLIVE.com to explore their full range of services and learn more about how they can help you manage your healthcare needs. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more informative content like this.